Hello and welcome to another How to Draw Stuff with me, Calvin Innes. Okay, so for today's video, I'm going to show you how to draw a cartoon cat. So as usual, to begin with, we're going to just sketch stuff out very roughly. For our cartoon cat, you're going to start off kind of a rounded triangle shape. And this is going to be your cat's head. Now up on the top here, we've got another two rounded triangles. Around about 2/3 of the way down, another rounded triangle. Now from the bottom here, I'm going to sketch in a guide for our cat's body. Now our paws are going to be down the front here. So in the middle, sketch in a little rough line there just to guide you if you like. On either side we're going to have 1, 2, 3 the toes. You can see how I've got the front toe, next toe's hidden slightly behind it, next toe's hidden slightly behind it again. Same on the other side, 1, 2, 3. Now from up here, see that little sweeping line? Same here. You're almost creating this sort of love heart shape here. And this is your cat's back legs. Now at the bottom of each of these, you might just see a little bit of one of those back toes. Now again, using the centre line as a guide, you can put in one leg and the second leg just there. Okay, now back up onto the face, the bottom of the nose here, a little line down, and then from here I'm going to draw in these big round cheeks. A little chin, I'm going to give him a little wisp of hair under there. I'm going to set up the top. Now, on the top of the nose, let's go out to the sides. Now we need to put in our cat's eyes. Now for this character, I think we're going to go for something really big and round. This guy is super cute. Big round eyes. Little pupils inside the ears. And a little triangle in each of those. Then we've just got a couple more little guidelines to go. And then we can take the pen out and start adding in a little bit of detail. So we've got a couple of marks on either side there. We know we're going to have whiskers in. We'll sketch those in once we have the pen. Just want to roughen those sides up a bit. Little tufts of hair. And there's one thing really important sort of missing from this guy, and it's his tail. Now you might want to put his tail down here somewhere. I'm going to do his tail up here. I'm going to do the tail coming out from the back here. And then sort of hidden behind our cat's head. And there we go. We've got all our guidelines in and we're ready to take the pen and start going over a few of these lines in a little bit more detail. Now with the nose, you'll see as I go over it in black, I'm changing the shape ever so slightly. So those original lines I've drawn in are just the guidelines. Let's put in those big round cheeks. I'll add a couple of little teeth in there. with our cat's chin. Let's get those eyes in there. Big eyes. That character's pupils in. Okay, now those bits of head on the side. I want this guy to look kind of quite scrappy. Street cat. On the ears, I'm going to put a couple little tufts at the top. You don't want the ears to be symmetrical, really. There's a few different hairs on there. Now, when you're drawing these ears, we've got the triangle in as a guide, but we don't want to completely join this up. So if you just look at the bits I've drawn in there, so you're suggesting that shape, but you're not doing a fully solid triangle, okay? This helps you get a little bit of depth into your character. Now let's go add those little details in. Now onto the legs. Same again, just suggesting a couple of tufts of hair there. Pause. There we go. Again, see, I'm not fully joining up these lines. We've got back leg going around. Back leg going around again. Let's just stick that in the back. Toes in. I want to put a little bit of detail where our cat's tummy is. And let's get this tail in now. Again, as we go, just adding in a few little details just to stop being quite so tidy. Now, let's get some whiskers in. Don't worry about making these too neat. Throw a few whiskers each side. And let's just set our guy down. A little bit of grass. Just scruffy little things. So we're going to add a few little fleas dropping off him as we go. There we go. You've got your scruffy little kitten. So thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, hit like, share it with your friends. If there's anything you want me to show you how to draw, leave us a comment under any of the videos on my channel. And I will see you next time.